Traveling can be expensive, but you don't need to compromise the quality of the experience because of the money. If you're interested in practical ways to travel affordably and maximize your experiences, you're in the right place. Before we set off on this journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, let's get started. Budget travel matters for several compelling reasons. First and foremost, it enables more people to experience the wonders of the world and create lasting memories. By prioritizing financial efficiency in travel, you can explore a broader range of destinations and cultures. Additionally, budget travel fosters a sense of adventure, pushing you to seek authentic and immersive experiences beyond the confines of luxury accommodations. It also encourages mindful spending and resourcefulness, which can lead to valuable life skills. Planning your budget adventure is the foundational step toward a successful and cost-effective travel experience. It begins with setting a realistic travel budget, taking into account your financial capabilities and travel aspirations. Choosing budget-friendly destinations is another crucial aspect, allowing you to stretch your travel funds without compromising on memorable experiences. Timing your travel strategically can lead to significant savings by avoiding peak seasons and taking advantage of deals and discounts. When it comes to traveling on a budget, one of the most significant expenses to consider is accommodation. However, there are several strategies to find affordable places to stay without compromising the quality of your travel experience. Consider options like budget-friendly hotels, hostels, guesthouses, and vacation rentals, which often offer more cost-effective alternatives to upscale hotels. Additionally, booking in advance, taking advantage of loyalty programs, or using travel websites and apps to compare prices can help you secure the best deals. Exploring alternative accommodation options like camping, couch surfing, or house sitting can also provide unique and budget-friendly experiences. Transportation costs can significantly impact your travel budget, but there are various ways to save on getting from one place to another. Consider using public transportation, such as buses and subways, which are often more budget-friendly than taxis or rental cars. If you're exploring a city, walking or biking can be not only cost-effective but also an excellent way to experience the local culture. Additionally, booking flights and train tickets in advance and being flexible with your travel dates can lead to substantial savings. Take advantage of travel rewards programs and cash in on miles or points earned through credit card spending. Carpooling or ride-sharing services can also help reduce expenses for longer journeys. One of the joys of travel is savoring local cuisine, and you can do it on a budget without compromising taste. Start by dining at local restaurants and street food vendors, which often offer authentic dishes at lower prices than touristy eateries. Look for daily specials and set menus, which can provide excellent value for your money. Grocery stores and markets are ideal for grabbing budget-friendly snacks and picnic supplies. Embrace the culture by trying out local food markets, where you can taste a variety of dishes without breaking the bank. Also, consider self-catering if your accommodation allows it. This allows you to prepare your meals and control expenses. Exploring the attractions and activities of your travel destination can be a significant part of the experience, but it doesn't have to be a drain on your budget. Start by researching free or low-cost attractions, such as museums with discounted admission days or natural wonders that don't require an entrance fee. Look for city passes or tourist cards that bundle multiple attractions at a discounted rate, providing excellent value for your money. Engage with the local culture by attending free events, street performances, or community festivals, which can offer memorable experiences at no cost. Additionally, consider guided walking tours led by locals, as they often provide insights into the destination's history and culture at a reasonable price. To make your travel budget stretch further, it's essential to employ a few savvy tricks. Firstly, be flexible with your travel dates and consider booking during the off-season or shoulder seasons when prices tend to be lower. Sign up for fare alerts and monitor flight and accommodation prices, so you can book when they are at their lowest. When it comes to currency exchange, use local ATMs to withdraw cash, as they often offer better rates than currency exchange kiosks. Packing light and avoiding excess baggage fees is another way to save, so choose versatile clothing and essential items. Lastly, consider travel insurance to protect your investment in case of unexpected disruptions. Ensuring your safety while traveling is paramount. Start by researching your destination's safety and health guidelines, and check for any travel advisories or recommendations from official sources. Secure your belongings by using anti-theft bags or accessories and being cautious in crowded or touristy areas. Always carry essential documents like passports and travel insurance information in a secure, separate location. Familiarize yourself with local emergency contact numbers and the nearest embassy or consulate. Keep a basic first aid kit handy and any necessary medications with clear labels. Furthermore, inform a trusted person about your travel plans and share your itinerary with them. Preserving the memories of your travels is essential, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Invest in a good quality smartphone or camera with a range of features for capturing stunning photos and videos. Take advantage of free photo editing apps to enhance your pictures. To avoid the high cost of professional photography services, ask fellow travelers or locals to take photos of you in exchange for doing the same for them. Create a travel journal or blog to document your experiences and share them with friends and family. Additionally, consider printing your favorite photos and creating a physical travel album or scrapbook, adding a personal touch to your memories. As your journey comes to an end, take time to reflect on your travel experiences. Journaling your thoughts and emotions can help you process the trip and remember the highlights and lessons learned. Sharing your experiences with friends and family can be a meaningful way to relive the adventure and inspire others to explore new destinations. Utilize social media platforms, travel forums, or your own blog to share stories, photos, and tips with a wider audience. Encourage others to embark on their own journeys, and in doing so, you'll contribute to a community of travelers eager to learn from one another's experiences. Travel not only broadens your horizons but also has the power to connect people from different corners of the world through shared stories and experiences. Traveling on a budget is not about limiting your experiences. It's about finding smart ways to make the most of your adventures without overspending. From finding affordable accommodations to enjoying local cuisine and exploring activities while keeping safety in mind, these tips can help you create memorable journeys without breaking the bank. We hope these insights have been valuable to you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.